Do you know the right way to floss your teeth? It's not as simple as you might think, yet it's a crucial part of maintaining a healthy mouth. So pay close attention as we embark on a journey to uncover the art of proper flossing. First, let's delve into the tools of the trade. Dental Floss is the star of the show. Available in waxed and unwaxed versions, it's important to choose one that feels comfortable for you. Now, onto the main event. Begin by cutting a piece of floss about 18 inches long. Wind most of the floss around each of your middle fingers, leaving an inch or two to work with. Hold the floss taut between your thumbs and index fingers, then slide it gently up and down between your teeth. Be careful not to jerk or snap the floss, as this can cut your gums or make them bleed. Reach the gum line, curve the floss into a C shape against one tooth and gently slide it into the space between the gum and the tooth. Hold the floss firmly against the tooth and move it gently up and down. Repeat this for the other side of the tooth as well. One by one, go through this process for each of your teeth. Remember, each tooth deserves its own clean section of floss. Now, you might wonder if there's a right time to floss. The answer is, anytime that fits into your schedule. However, flossing at night might be beneficial as it ensures your teeth are clean before your longest period without eating or drinking. To recap, flossing is more than just a routine, it's an art. Select the right floss, cut it to about 18 inches, wrap it around your middle fingers and gently slide it up and down between your teeth. Always curve it into a C shape at the gum line and gently clean both sides of the tooth. Flossing is a small act with big benefits, so next time you pick up that string of floss, remember these steps and give your teeth the love they deserve. After all, a clean mouth